Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. It has 480 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. Pretty fast, and those are some good performance numbers. You have this large upright screen, so it looks like an iPad. I do wish it was kind of pointed more towards the driver because it's kind of pointed downwards. We'll definitely, you definitely have to go through the menus a bit to get used to it, try to figure out where everything is. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel. If you want to access AC, press the button, turn the dial right there. You can adjust the temperature right there, as you can see. Put it in reverse, and you have a 360-degree camera system and regular camera system. You have a small gauge cluster over there. Steering is really heavy. I do have it in the most advanced mode right now though. So the modes are Whisper, Engage, and Unbridle, which I guess means just super fast. And the seats are interesting. They have like this top shoulder bolster right there, which I haven't seen before. That's interesting. Let's take a look. Here's your door handle. That's also a little out of the norm. But let's take a look. It's finished in white color, red Brembo brakes. Looks pretty good. It has a grill looking thing, even though it's not really a grill. The buttons are electronic. You have to push a button for it. Here's your rear seats. Check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this one. There's your charging kit in there. And there's a wireless charging tray. As you can see my phone in there. It definitely, the tray is like, could be a bit better. It's like kind of big, so there's really nothing holding your phone. It'll just slide around everywhere, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Let's go. And in the sportiest mode, it has like a noise. I think it's called propulsion sound, if I remember what it read on the screen. The steering is really heavy. It's really nice. Oh my god, that's fast. This car is insanely fast. Goodness. Whoa! That is impressive acceleration. Wow. I didn't know this car was that fast. Dang. This is one of the fastest EVs I've driven in quite a while. I've driven a lot of EVs in the last few weeks, testing them and trying them out. And none of them really quite pushed me back in my seat like this one just did. Some of them had more horsepower than this did too. That's impressive. And I love the heavy steering. This heavy steering is fantastic. Definitely gives better confidence for handling and such around corners. It's really nice. Very impressive. Yeah, seats are pretty comfortable, as I was saying. Oh my god, that's so fast! Goodness! I did not know that these were that fast. Wow. And I like that propulsion sound. There is a good amount of wind noise though. Can't lie. Like, I hear a lot of wind noise coming from the rear and the front seat. Dang, that MDX is going for a fun test drive right there. Lots of test drives going on right now. just can't believe how fast this thing is. Goodness. I'm just so mind blown right now. The handling is really, really good for an SUV. And the acceleration is awesome. Very impressive. This is a really cool electric car. I definitely did not have high expectations going into this because I don't really, think too much of the Mach-E, think very highly of it, but this GT is definitely changing my view on it. Braking's pretty good too. Oh my God. That's so fast. I love that steering. I'm just so impressed. But yeah, I mean, visibility's decent. It could be a bit better. It's not bad. Yeah, it's decent. It's not great. Windshield outside, going from the front, visibility's decent. The back, yeah, I mean, it's all right. And you also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system, it looks like. But yeah, great. Great driving car right here. I think this is a really fun EV, and it looks decent too. So if you're looking for a fun electric SUV, I think you would really like the Mach-E GT. I've driven the regular Mach-E. It wasn't bad. It wasn't great though, and it wasn't all that fast. So that's probably where I got my where I thought that this car wouldn't be that great for some reason. But yeah, it's very nice. I'm just blown away by this handling and acceleration. It's crazy. But yeah, as I was saying, my phone's just flopping around that charger right there. Like, it's a really... The charger could be better. Like, there's nothing to hold your phone. It's just a giant pad. So like, your phone really won't even charge. And if you're driving fast in this car, it'll flop around everywhere. And it's the Mach-E GT, so... What are you supposed to do? Or not drive fast and just keep watching your phone to make sure it's not flopping around? That's a little weird. Yeah, like the steering is so heavy, you have to put effort to move it. You have to put some muscle into it. Which is crazy. I haven't felt this heavy steering in a car, in a modern car, especially an electric car, in a minute. Yeah, that was an awesome driving experience. Had a lot of fun testing out this Mach-E GT. I think it's a really cool electric car with fantastic performance, and is definitely geared more towards the enthusiasts rather than just a regular buyer. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below to shop for awesome vehicles like this one. I'll catch you on the next